Okay, the number 11 is synthetic division. And you know, you can do this with the long division that we did in the previous problem, but when it starts with a 1 on the divisor, you can use synthetic division if you want to. And some people think it's a shorter way. What you do is you take the opposite of whatever this number is here. So we're going to put that here. We're going to use a -3. And then inside our division box, we're just going to take the numbers that were on each of the terms. So we have a 2 and a +7 and a -1 and a 2. You see where we got those off of each of these numbers here. Okay, so when we get this set up, the first thing we do is we just pull down the first number. We're not going to do anything to that. It's just going to start with 2. And then you're going to multiply the -3 and 2 and put the answer up here. So we have -3 times 2 is -6. And just put these together. Just 7 minus 6 is 1. And then we're going to multiply again this -3 times the 1. And we're going to put the answer right up here. So -3 times 1 is -3. And we're just going to put those together. It makes -4. And then do it again. -3 times -4 is a +12. 2 and 12 is +14. Now, notice on the original problem, it started with x to the 3rd. And on the last problem, I told you that your answer should start with 1 less than that first one. So we can come back over here and say, well, we have 2, we have 1, we have -4, and we have 14. And the first one has to start with x squared because the original problem started with x to the 3rd. So then they go in descending order. If this is x squared, this is x to the 1st power. This is no x's, which makes this our remainder with the divisor underneath it. There's your answer.